Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a McDonald's. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a husband, his wife, and the McDonald's staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. Which animal toy is the husband trying to collect? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Okay, Mia, we are here. McDonald's, I am ready.
Ready for what, Jack? It is just lunch.
It is not just lunch. Today is the day. Today, I get the panda.
The panda. Again?
Yes, the panda. It is the last one I need.
Jack, how many Happy Meals have you bought this month?
I do not want to count. Maybe 10? Maybe 12?
12? 12 Happy Meals for one little toy?
It is not just one toy, Mia. It is a set. 8 animals.
Tell me again, which animals do you have?
Cat, dog, rabbit, frog, lion, and elephant. One of each.
That is 6. What about fox?
Oh, fox. I have 6 foxes already.
6? Just foxes?
Every time I come here, I get a fox.
So you have all 7 kinds? The missing one is the panda?
Yes, the panda. People say it is hard to get.
So you keep buying Happy Meals until you get a panda.
That is the plan. A very good plan.
Jack, you are a grown man. You are 30 years old.
I know, but age does not matter when you collect.
Okay. Let's go inside.
Wait, I want to say something first.
What now?
Thank you for coming with me. You are a good wife.
I know, and you are a very strange husband.
A strange husband with 6 animal toys and many foxes.
Soon to be 7 kinds, you hope.
I will get the panda today. I can feel it.
You said that last week, too.
This time is different. I have a good feeling.
A good feeling is not a panda, Jack.
But it is a start. Trust me.
I trust you. I just don't trust the toy box.
That's fair.
Okay, lucky man. Open the door.
Here we go. Panda, I am coming for you.
Hello and welcome to McDonald's. What can I get for you?
Hi, I would like 1 Happy Meal, please.
1 Happy Meal. Of course. What drink would you like?
Apple juice, please, and the burger, not the nuggets.
A Happy Meal with a small burger and apple juice. Got it.
One more question. Can I choose the toy?
I am sorry, sir. The toys are random.
Random? Really?
Yes, we do not know which one is in each box.
Oh no. Are you sure? Maybe you can check.
I really cannot check, sir. We cannot open them.
I see. Okay, I will try my luck.
Are you collecting them?
Yes, I need the panda. Only the panda.
Oh, the panda. Many people ask about the panda.
So it is real. The panda is hard to get.
I cannot say, sir, but yes, people ask.
Please, just one small hint. Is the panda in this box?
I really do not know. I am sorry.
Okay, I trust you. Give me a Happy Meal, please.
One Happy Meal coming up. Anything else?
Oh, yes, my wife wants something too. Mia, what do you want?
I can wait. Take your time.
She said a Big Mac combo with a Coke.
One Big Mac combo with a Coke. Got it. That is $12.50.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Your order number is 72.
72. Lucky number, I hope.
7 plus 2 is 9. 9 is a lucky number in many places.
Really? I did not know that.
My grandmother used to say that.
Then I have a real chance today.
I hope so, sir. Please wait by the pickup counter.
Thank you, Miss Lee.
Good luck with the panda, sir. Number 72? Order 72?
That is me, right here.
Here you go, sir. One Happy Meal, one Big Mac combo.
Thank you. Wait, before I go, I want to open this.
The Happy Meal box?
Yes, I need to see the toy right now.
Sure, go ahead.
Okay, here we go. Please be panda. Please be panda.
Are you okay, sir?
Just a second. Opening it now.
And the toy is...
A fox. It is a fox. Again.
Oh, is that a problem?
I already have many foxes. This is number 7.
7 foxes?
Yes, every time I come here, I get a fox.
That is bad luck.
It is very bad luck. I do not want more foxes.
What do you want?
Panda. I want the panda. Only the panda.
Ah, the panda. That one is hard.
I have heard. Why is it so hard?
I do not know, sir. The boxes come from the company.
But you work here. You see the boxes.
I just hand them out. I do not pack them. Have you ever seen a panda toy? One time, maybe 2 times in 1 month.
1 or 2? That is so few.
I am sorry, sir.
It is not your fault. I will try again, maybe later.
Do you want to eat first, sir?
Yes, my wife is waiting. I should go.
Have a nice meal. The Big Mac is hot today.
Thank you. And please, if you see a panda box, save it for me.
I will try, sir. I cannot promise.
That is enough for me. Thank you.
Good luck. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Hello, fox number 7.
So, what did you get?
A fox.
Another fox?
Another fox. Number 7.
Jack, you have a fox army now.
I do not want a fox army. I want a panda.
I know. Eat your burger.
Mia, listen. I have a plan.
Oh no, another plan?
A good plan. I will buy 1 more Happy Meal.
1 more?
Yes, 2 boxes is better than 1. The chance is higher.
Jack, that is not how it works.
It is exactly how it works. More boxes, more chances.
But each box is random. 2 random boxes is still random.
You do not understand my way of collecting.
My way of collecting? Is that a real thing?
For collectors, yes. We have rules. We have ways.
Jack, these are toys for kids.
I know.
For little children.
I know, Mia.
Children with small hands who eat nuggets.
Mia, please stop saying that.
I am sorry, but it is funny.
It is not funny, it's a hobby. Adults can have hobbies.
This is true. Adults can have hobbies.
Some people collect stamps, some people collect coins.
And some people collect small animals from a burger place.
Yes, that is me. Are you happy?
I am happy because you are happy.
Thank you, Mia. That is sweet.
But you are still a strange husband.
A strange husband with a goal.
A panda goal.
A panda goal. Soon.
Eat first, then we talk about more boxes.
Yes, ma'am.
How is your burger?
It is good. Small, but good.
Of course it is kid size.
You really do enjoy seeing this, don't you?
A little. You look happy, like when you were a kid.
Maybe that is the real reason I come here.
Maybe. Now eat fast.
Hi, can I order one more thing, please?
Of course. What would you like?
One Happy Meal, please?
One Happy Meal. With a burger or with nuggets?
With the burger, I think.
And the drink?
Apple juice is fine.
Is this for your child, ma'am?
My child?
Yes. Is the Happy Meal for your child?
Oh, well, not exactly.
I'm sorry?
It is for my husband.
Your husband?
Yes, he is collecting toys, animal toys.
Oh, your husband is a collector.
Yes, a very serious collector.
I see. Many people collect things.
He needs the panda toy.
The panda?
Yes, he has all the other animals, and 7 foxes, too.
7 foxes?
It is a long story.
I have time.
No, please, just the Happy Meal.
Okay, 1 Happy Meal for your husband.
Yes, for my husband.
That is $4.99.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your number is 81.
81. Thank you.
I hope your husband gets the panda this time.
Me too. He really, really wants it.
Is your husband here in the store?
Yes, he is sitting right over there.
Ah, I understand now.
Please do not say anything. He's a good man.
I will not say anything, ma'am.
Thank you. He has tried so many times.
How many times?
Maybe 12, maybe more.
That is a lot of food.
I know. Our fridge is full of small burgers.
You are a good wife.
Please, just make this one a panda.
I cannot choose, but I will hope with you.
Number 81, Happy Meal?
Yes, that is mine. Well, my wife ordered it for me.
Here you go, sir. 1 Happy Meal.
Thank you. Okay, here we go again.
Are you opening it now?
Yes, I have to. I cannot wait.
Take your time, sir.
Please be panda. Please, please be panda.
Big moment.
Big moment. Opening now.
And?
A lion. It is a lion.
A lion is nice.
I have a lion. I already have a lion.
Oh no.
I have 7 foxes and now 2 lions.
That is a lot of animals.
I do not want a lion. I want a panda.
I am sorry, sir.
It is okay. It is not your fault.
Are you a collector?
Yes, the panda is the last one I need.
Many people ask for the panda. It is the hard one.
Why? Why is it so hard?
I really do not know, sir.
I think I'm done. I'm giving up.
Giving up?
Yes, maybe the panda is not for me.
Do not say that, sir.
It is too hard. 12 Happy Meals. No panda.
12?
Maybe more. I do not know how many now.
Wait 1 moment, sir. Please wait here.
Where are you going?
I want to ask my manager something.
Okay, I will wait, but I do not have much hope.
1 moment, sir. Please do not leave.
Okay, but what can a manager do?
Maybe nothing, maybe something. Just wait.
All right, I'm here with my lion and my fox army.
Fox Army is a funny name, sir.
It is not funny when you live with them.
I will be back fast. Please trust me, sir.
I trust you. Go.
Excuse me, sir. Are you the man with the Happy Meals?
Yes, that is me. I am sorry. Am I in trouble?
No, not at all. I am Miss Walker, the manager.
Hello, Miss Walker. I am Jack.
Jack, yes, we know you here.
You know me?
Of course, you come almost every day.
I do come a lot. I'm sorry.
Sorry? No, you are a very good customer.
A good customer? Really?
Yes, the team talks about you. We call you the Panda Man.
The Panda Man? Oh, no.
It is a kind name. We like you, Jack.
Thank you. I did not know.
Miss Park told me about the lion today.
Yes, another animal I already have.
I am sorry, Jack. That is hard.
It is okay. I'm thinking of giving up.
Please do not give up. Not today.
Why not today?
Because I have something for you. Wait one moment.
Okay.
Here, Jack. This is for you.
What is it? A box?
Open it.
Is this a panda?
Yes, the panda toy from our back room.
But how?
A family asked for this panda, but they did not come back, so we still have it.
And you want to give it to me?
Yes, you came here so many times. You are the right person for it.
Miss Walker, I do not know what to say.
Just say thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You are welcome, Jack. Now you have all 8.
All 8 animals. I can finally stop.
But please come back. Not for toys, for food.
I will. I promise. Mia, look, it's the panda.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Which animal toy is the husband trying to collect? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.